Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Manila South Cemetery at dinalaw natin ang ating mga mahal sa buhay na mayapa na. And it's really always good to remember the people, diba, who made a lot of impact also in our lives, our relatives, friends, na namayapa na rin. At reminder din sa atin na while we are still alive, we are here, diba, to make the most of our lives. Right? Forgive those who have hurt us. Diba, minsan, walang closure. Let us choose to forgive. And above all, it's really a good reminder for us that we still have a purpose. Kaya tayo buhay pa. May plano si Lord sa buhay natin. Diba? So, let us choose to have a more deeper connection with the Lord. At kung buhay ka pa, at ayaw mo na, no? Gusto mo nang sumuko, at napanood mo ang vlog na to, please, stay put, diba? May purpose pa kung bakit ka buhay, diba? Love life and really find time to connect with the Lord. Ayan. So anyway, bye! Hanggang sa susunod na vlog. Medyo haggard na tayo. Hindi lang pala medyo. Haggard na talaga. Sige, bye-bye!